parts of plants and what? And their functions. Okay, how many parts do we have? Yes. How many parts? What?
4.
So we have, how many parts? We have 4 parts. What? Can you tell me the name of the first part? Raise your hand. If you know it, raise your hand. Tell me the name of the first part of the plant. Yes, Awan. Root. Not all of them. Just tell me the first part of it is root. After root we have, yes, Kajan? Stem. After stem we have what? Leaves. And the last part of the plant is, yes, flowers. Well done. Thank you. Now we will talk about the functions of each of them. Okay, one by one. Root.
Hold the plant and take in the water.
Okay. Can you tell us the functions of stem, Yusuf?
Hold the leaves and flowers.
Okay. Awan, tell us the functions of leaves.
Leaves make food for the flowers.
Okay. Khalid, tell us the function of flowers.
Seed.
Makes food.
Seed.
Well done. Bravo. Well done.